If you want to make dynamic title like this, whenever you select any month, it will come here, like sales in April, sales in March, sales in February and June. Then watch this video to the end. Firstly, we are going to insert a new page, and after then we are going to insert here a new visual. After then, what we will do, we will drag here those fields that is needed to make chart. Here I used year and total revenue in the y-axis. After then, what we have to do, we have to create a measure to make the title as dynamic. New measure, and we have to give name. After then, we have to use here a function which is selected value. After then, we have to provide here that field that we want to make dynamic in the subtitle. So here we want to make month as dynamic, so we will select this and close parenthesis and hit enter. Now we will select this visual, and after then we will go to this conditional subtitle. After then we have to select here field dynamic title, select this and then hit OK. After then we will check this, it is dynamic or not. So we will insert here a new slicer and drag the field of month. After then we will click to January, February. Yeah, it is changing, but we need to make here a change, like we want here sales in May, sales in June, sales in July. So to do this, we have to make changes in our measure. And what changes we have to make? We have to join sales for in double quotation, and we have to use ampersand operator as well, and then hit enter. Now it is coming here, but one problem is here, there is no space between 4 and the name of the month. So to solve this problem, we again make changes in this. Now we will provide here space and then again hit enter. Now our title is dynamic. We could increase the size of the title 20, make it bold.